Meta probably didn't see this coming, because a new pair of AI glasses just showed up and absolutely destroyed the Ray-Bans. And no, this isn't another boring wearable that only takes photos. These glasses can run full Android, stream Netflix on a floating 100-inch screen, and even replace your laptop. This is the moment smart glasses stop being a toy and start becoming your next computer. So let's break down the device that just embarrassed Meta's entire lineup. You already know Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses have dominated the market for years, mostly because there was no serious competition. They were light, stylish, great for voice control, and perfect for capturing quick POV clips. But let's be honest, they were nowhere close to being a real computer. They couldn't replace your phone, your screen, or even your notifications, but today, everything changes. A new pair of AI glasses just dropped, and they didn't come from Meta, Google, Apple, or even RoKid. These come from INMO, and their latest model, the INMO Air 3, is the first pair of consumer smart glasses that doesn't feel like a prototype. It feels like a full Android device strapped onto your face, but in the best possible way. Instead of using a tiny micro display like Meta's 600 by 600 LCD, the Air 3 hides dual 1080p Sony OLED panels behind each lens, projected through advanced waveguide optics. Translation? When you watch a video, it looks like you're staring at a 100-inch private cinema screen floating in midair. No glow, no leaks, no one next to you seeing what you're watching. True visual privacy. And unlike Meta's Ray-Bans that rely heavily on your phone, the Air 3 is the phone it's running full Android 14, powered by an 8-core Snapdragon processor, 8 GB RAM, and even supports full Play Store app installs. You can literally open multiple windows, run YouTube, Gmail, Docs, and even cast your laptop screen while sitting on a plane. This is the moment smart glasses stop being accessories and finally become real computers. What really separates the INMO Air 3 from every previous attempt is the way it captures your world and how effortlessly you can interact with it. Instead of placing the camera off to the side like Meta's Ray-Bans, INMO positioned it directly between your eyes, creating footage perfectly aligned with your perspective. No tilted angles, no weird offsets, just clean, accurate POV shots that actually match what you're looking at. But the real shocker is the control ecosystem. While Meta relies heavily on voice input and a wrist-mounted neural band, INMO has built an entire suite of interaction tools. You get responsive touch strips, a dedicated motion tracking smart ring that follows finger movements in 3D space, and even a compact remote-style touchpad ideal for longer sessions. They're also working on a muscle-reading wristband of their own, signaling a future where subtle gestures trigger on-screen actions. Instantly, battery performance paints an interesting picture. The Air 3 doesn't last all day, but pushing dual OLED displays and a complete operating system is demanding. You typically get a couple of hours before needing a recharge, yet a brief 30-minute top-up brings you back to well over half capacity. The weight is higher than Meta's glasses, but most of the components sit toward the sides, keeping balance surprisingly comfortable once adjusted. With onboard Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a solid chunk of storage, the Air 3 doesn't feel like wearable tech. It feels like a miniature workstation on your face, ready for productivity anywhere you move. The moment you dive into the Air 3's interface, you instantly realize this isn't another gimmicky wearable. It's a floating workspace built for real tasks. Instead of limiting you to simple notifications or basic voice functions, the system lets you open multiple apps in adjustable windows that stay fixed in your environment. You can position YouTube on one side, keep email hovering near your field of view, and drop a document wherever it feels natural. Everything remains anchored even as you walk or turn your head. Pair it with a Bluetooth keyboard or mouse, and suddenly you're operating a genuine desktop-style layout, but without needing any physical display. Writing reports, editing slides, browsing the web, everything works exactly like a compact computer. You can also push your laptop screen directly into the glasses, creating a massive private monitor invisible to people around you. This becomes a game changer in crowded environments. Picture yourself on a plane. Everyone else is hunched over tiny screens while you're working on a cinematic virtual display that only exists in your vision. No one can peek, no reflections, no brightness spill. It's complete visual isolation, perfect for confidential work or entertainment without drawing attention. Audio delivery takes a more functional approach. Instead of blasting sound outward, the speakers emphasize clarity for calls and media without flooding your surroundings. Connectivity is solid, ensuring quick transfers and reliable app performance. Every part of this software environment feels like the first step toward a world where your digital life floats around you instead of sitting on a desk. Now let's talk about the part that flips the entire market on its head. Value. Most people assume advanced wearables like this would cost a fortune, yet the Air 3 lands only slightly above Meta's latest Ray-Ban model. For roughly $100 more, you're getting hardware that isn't just a small upgrade, it's a different category entirely. Instead of a lightweight camera gadget, you're investing in a device capable of running complex apps, producing massive virtual screens, and handling tasks usually reserved for tablets or laptops. Of course, there are limitations. Bright sunlight can soften the sharpness of the image, and wearing a full computing system on your face takes a little time to get used to. But compared to every attempt before it, the Air 3 stands out as the first consumer headset that feels genuinely practical for travel, productivity, and everyday streaming. It finally pushes smart eyewear from interesting experiment to actual personal device. And that puts huge pressure on the giants of this industry. Meta still holds the crown for social features and comfort, but the moment people experience a pair of glasses that can stream movies, mirror workspaces, and run true mobile apps, expectations shift forever. Lightweight tools won't cut it anymore. Not when a pair of everyday frames can behave like a portable computer. The Air 3 isn't just another release, it's the line in the sand. From this point on, smart glasses either evolve into real machines or they get left behind. So that's the future we're walking into, a world where your next computer isn't in your pocket, it's sitting on your face. And if the INMO Air 3 is what version 1 looks like, imagine what the next wave is going to do. If you learned something new or this tech blew your mind even a little, make sure you smash that like button. Drop your thoughts below. Would you ditch your laptop for glasses like these? And if you want to see the smart eyewear that takes things even further, hit subscribe because the next video is on a completely different level.